Hello, folks and students. Let's learn how to identify company code dependent controls at one glance. Either it may be ECC or S4 HANA or any version for that matters. Okay. The transaction code is OPY6. Let me show you how important it is if you are from non-FI consultant. It is very important to know, like if you get any settings which is get failed because of your company code mismatch. Okay, let me show you. This is called OBY6. So now if you look at this, all these are the different company codes. Let me try to show you. This is the company code I have created. Not created, actually it is copied from another company code template. Such a case, what happens? I will show you the difference actually. If you look at this, okay, this is the company code, the country or region which is belongs to this company code, and the currency, we can able to find it out. So why basically certain time you will get issues like if you change something manually, maybe language, if the currency is not maintained, your control area versus or else certain parts of the taxation, if it is not matches, you will get currency issues. Chart of accounts, again, it is very important when you are doing accounting determination. Okay, suppose your finance consultant created a company code, he said that you can utilize for account determination, but you make sure that before setting up your account determination, what is your chart of accounts, that definitely you can able to get it. Okay, we're able to find the company name, credit control area. Okay, and the financial variant, this is very important. It varies from country to country. Probably this is K9 is not belongs to Europe, maybe K4 or K3, K1. This financial variant, because of this also certain issues you will face actually. Okay, so this is one thing. And if any external company code is there, okay, that is passing the data from SAP to SAP system or else any other system, certain case the tick mark will be there. Okay, company code is productive or not, this is something like which is belongs to your what I would say, um, uh, ledger settings, OMX4, OMX2 and all those things. Okay, so in F4 you would like to hide the company code data. Okay, this is the tick mark, you can able to do it. And your VAT registration number, of course, certain countries it's 100% it is needed. Okay, so you will have something field status variant, or like something like let me I'll just try to show you something. So certain transaction code will be there, company code level, GL account level. So GT. So if I press enter, okay. So this is for payment methods basically. Okay. So now this transaction like OBC4 is the transaction. Okay, now you can able to see this. This or some field status variant, it is got assigned. Let's go back and let me show you. It is very important to resolve issues on your own. There is nothing required from finance, like you can able to fix your basic issues. For example, 0010, okay, is the field status variant, it is got assigned. Okay, so I will show you something here. So this session is very important. For example, this one is there, field status group is there. So at the time of creating your GL account, you will assign this field status group actually. Okay, what it's have, like this is something like how you have in our sales side account group. Okay, or else vendor side your account group. Here is the definition is all about it. If you double click or else click the field status, now you can see the general data section, all these the fields got suppressed. Okay, in the similar way, you can able to see like this is additional account assignments. If you press function page down, you will go to the next page like that. Certain times what happens, I will tell you one example. Okay, someone is said that profit center is required entry at the time of creating GL account. So in a practice system, FA consultants also play with these screens. Okay, so that you will have a lot of trouble time to create a one GL account copy in FS000. Okay, if you would like to do practice, so such a case you can able to control, always you can able to come back OBC4, okay, to check the field status and which one is mandatory, which one is not mandatory. This is quite frequent, okay, for you, like getting issues. So posting period variant. Again, this is something like, let me show you, okay. So like if you'd like to maintain periods, open periods, okay. So you MMPV you are using, right? So there is one transaction called OB52. All these issues you will get it at the time of doing your practice. Okay, let me put it. So what is the posting period? It is asking. For example, let me put it. What is the posting period we have? Let me check here. Okay. So all this finance, but in real time, FI consultant certain times he might play with you. Okay. Of course, I don't allow anybody to play in my career. You have to be strong, irrespective of your market. This is the place where you will maintain your posting period variant. If you don't maintain for this financial year, you cannot able to do the PCA, you cannot able to do the, what I would say, post goods receipt, you cannot able to do the, more importantly, like you cannot able to do the stock posting like that, so you'll come to know at one place. That's what is all about. This transaction code is very, very important. You know this, please remember this one. So like you will have, so cost accounting is active, like other fields also will be there. Tax base as a net value or discount base is net value. These two bases should be useful at the time of your cash discount configuration. Okay, so like some other fields also will be there. So the split, how you would like to split actually based on your profit center, based on your item, or based on such a case also. Amount split enable is there also. This one is there, like that. Certain fields, every flow you need not draw. Workflow variant we don't require actually. That is finance side actually. So like certain times it might cause any issues. Of course, your finance consultant is clever enough. If you work in real time, he can able to help you. That is fine. As long as if he's having experience, if you don't have experience, he can guide you, then it is fine. But most of the times, they are not in a position to help any other person. They will tell some story actually. Okay, be careful. And SD and among consultants, but still, expert FA consultant, certainly he can able to guide you and walk through all these things. So in real time, suppose field status variant, if you have an issue, can I able to resolve? Don't do that. Assign to FI. Posting variant, can I able to open? Can I able to maintain? Don't do that. It is not your job. It is done by FI consultant. All these parts, including chart of accounts creation. Okay, of course, you can create credit control area, and don't try to do the financial year variant also. Okay, all this total setup will be handled by them. Okay, what is this button? So this is like your address button, which is available. Okay, so for you, so you can able to check the address of this company code. I will show you one difference here. Okay, probably I can take any one of the company code for your reference. Let me check. Someone has created this one is fine. Maybe. See, one has created, this is not copied actually. Someone has created and manually assigned because he might face some issues. Never try that. Okay. Always copy a company code so that things will be available. I think I need not explain how to copy a company code. It is already shown in my previous videos. Okay. This is all about OBY6 and OBBB2. And I will tell you one more transaction, OMWD. Certain times this gives your valuation area account determination integration with company code. So for example, so this is not mandatory at all. Okay. Either you can able to maintain certain times you have taken the key combination for valuation group code. This is for MM folks. They know very well about this part actually. Okay. So for example, GDRA, I haven't maintained anything. Okay. So like GDR1, this is what my plant is all about. I haven't maintained anything. So certain times, certain issues will be resolved. In the practice system, you just maintain, because if MMP combination is actually troubling you. Okay. So there is something called, so this, I think these things are fine. Don't forget this transaction. Okay. So this is OBBD6. That's what all OB on practice only you can remember. But real time, you need not touch all these controls. That's what I would like to say. I think you learn something like if it is useful for your real time, uh, you can reutilize it. If you really like this video, please like it. And I'm just requesting you, okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm just providing the links of all my courses. Okay, probably you can give a try. Okay, so if you really like it, so that's what my request is. I'm just providing my links in the description box. Currently holding like 6,055 students. So this is one of my friend course on SAP SD, 433 lectures. And these two courses specifically recommend each and every functional consultant before getting their footsteps into real-time industry. One is getting master right functional specification. This is for idoc training. And my favorite topic is pricing. I have done a couple of courses. This is on S4 HANA, and this is specifically on complete pricing concepts. Okay, you can able to give a try. So I recommend, I urge you better try this BP course with 3 scenarios. It is actually 10.5 hours course with 25 lectures. I would like to try to add, I will try to update the course as much as possible, whatever the knowledge I found in real time. And this is for your business process configuration. All these are the different courses available, around 20 plus courses at mine. I'm just providing these links below this video. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining this session. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.